We are Kochu Kids Fun.
I have 3 little words, you see. They're as magical as they can be. If you want to be kind and good, say them like a good kid should. When you want a toy to play or a snack to start your day, don't just grab or make a noise. Say please with all your joys. Getting a gift, thank you. When someone gives a gift to you or helps you tie your little shoe, don't just run and walk away. Thank you is what you should say. Oh, if you break a tiny toy or hurt a little girl or boy, make it right and be a star. Saying sorry shows who you are. If someone's standing in your way and you want to go and play, don't just push them to the side. Say excuse me with much pride. When the sun begins to rise and you open up your eyes, give your mom a hug so tight. Say good morning with delight. Oh, when you share your yummy treat and they say your heart is sweet, when they thank you for the fun, say you're welcome everyone. When the moon is shining bright and it's time to say goodnight to your daddy and your mom, say goodnight and stay so calm. Meeting someone when a friend comes to your door, or you meet them at the store, wave your hand and give a smile. Say hello in your own style. Conclusion, please, sorry, and thank you too. Make the world so bright and new. Kucho Kids are kind and smart. Magic words are in our heart.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Kochu Kids Fun. Let's have fun together.